Good morning. We're here with Russell's Automotive. The traveling real estate agents stopped in, checking them out. We also had a vehicle that needed a little work, and they took care of it for us. So I'm going to bring you in, and we're going to meet the owner. Kind of turn here and see the facility. A lot of vehicles being worked on, and they are open during the virus outbreak. And here we go. And I think the owner, his name is Russ, is in. Here, let's go in. Here we go. There's the owner, Russ, over there. And good morning. And that must be Randy. Russ, tell us about your business. How long have you been here?
We're just coming up on 6 years here now. Since when I opened the shop. We specialize in all automotive, anything from oil changes to motor and transmission replacements, anything from cars to light duty trucks.
So basically full service.
Full service.
Excellent. How about like tractors or front end loaders or something like that?
No, it's a little bit beyond what we can do.
Okay, I was just curious, I saw one in the other room when I walked in, so I was thinking, if I could find a tractor, maybe you'd be the guy to work on it for me. So,
Right.
All right. How many bays do you have out there?
We have a 3-bay shop with alignment hoist, and currently just 2 of us, myself and Randy, that are working.
Okay. So you work on transmissions. How about like shock absorbers, oil changes, all those kinds of things too?
Yep, all of that from bumper to bumper.
Could you pull an engine out and put a new one in?
Yes.
Wow, you do it all then. So cool. So anything that we could share that you want the customers out there to know?
Well, we're plugging along here, and hope that everyone else is being safe, and our office hours are remaining the same.
What are those hours?
7:30 to 6, Monday through Friday.
Oh, excellent. Okay, cool. All right, I guess that's it. I'm going to peek over here and just kind of show what the bay looks like. You can see they're busy out there. Well, I like that Chevy sitting there. Very good. That's it with the traveling real estate agents. We want to thank Russ and his automotive shop for letting us in today. Thanks. We're over and out.